Back with part 6, maybe? I'm not sure. But now we're going to learn how to tie down the foundation for Rhaenyra. And this is a good video, and I will try my best to explain how to do this hook pulling procedure method, but it's very similar how I ventilate the hair into the actual wig. So this is a good way to kind of like get into it by just using a single strand of thread, but give yourself some patience here, I promise. So you'll want to have your ventilating hook. I'm using the German style, which it's so hard to tell. I don't, the makeup, is that, remember when makeup artists used to, I don't know. Anyways, there's a tiny little hook at the end versus the whole hook is the needle itself. So it's like a little barb that you pull through. So I'm going to try my best to show you all a close-up version of how to do this stitching method. Here's a fun thing. Now you get a cat butt in this video. So, woo. Okay. So I already did the left dart here, so you can kind of see how smooth that's laying down with the invisible thread. You'll definitely want to use invisible thread if you are making a wig for any reason, because you don't want to see the, thread that helps pull everything together. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some thread here, pull off a little bit. And we're going to make a little loop. I'm going to do my best to try to show you all how to do this. We're going to take a little loop, and then we're going to dive in to a little bit of the dart itself and the wig base it is. So let me zoom in a bit. All right, bless me here, but here we go. So we have a little bit pulled onto the hook itself. You can kind of see the barb at the end. There's a good lighting where you can see it. We're going to take the thread and hook it on the barb. We are going to pull through and hopefully get the thread all through that both holes. And we are going to take the hook, pull it this way, wrap it around, and then pull through the piece itself. Wow, so now it is hooked like so, and we're going to do it again. Moving on down about 3 or 4 hooks apart or holes apart. We're going to wrap it around, and we just need to do the one thread this time. We don't need to do both of them since it's already grounded. Wrap it around, hook grab down and through the netting up, so we have the loop right there. Grasp it around, pull through, and then pull tight. And that is basically it. So the next video will just be me doing it over